Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to make money with Printify and Etsy. Printify is a platform that persons can sign up to for completely free, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to create designs on print on demand. So for example, let's say you have uploaded a design, as you can see right here, and you want to sell some t-shirts. You will make money once your t-shirt is sold. You don't have to worry about storing the t-shirt. You don't have to worry about customer service or anything like that. Printify deals with all of that. They'll handle the shipping and customer service and all of that, and you'll simply get a cut of the profit. All you have to do is simply upload the design onto Printify that you would like to sell, and you have to find the market, and that's it. And it's quite easy to sign up to Printify. You can start off for completely free. So you'll simply tap on Start for Free right here and enter your email address and create a password, and that's it. And by the way, if we were to go onto Etsy, you can see simple t-shirts like these, as you can see right here. All it is saying is summer vibes. You can see that this t-shirt has been sold over 97,000 times. So you don't need any big massive creative design, something simple and creative, and you'll be able to make money with Etsy and Printify. How does this work? All you have to do, once you have signed up to Printify, all you're going to do now is simply tap on your design. So for example, I had created this design right here, but I'll show you how to create new designs. So all you have to do once on Printify, let me tap on add a new store. Once on Printify, you're going to tap on Etsy, as you want to connect your Etsy to your Printify account. From here, you're going to either enter your email address, or you're going to tap on continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with Apple. For this example, I'll simply tap on continue with Google. Once you have done that, you'll be led to this page right here, and you can simply read, and then you'll tap on grant access. And just give it a few seconds to load up. Then tap on close. After that is finished, you can simply scroll down, and let's say for example you want to create t-shirts, or you can tap on women clothing. You'll simply tap on that. Then you'll tap on t-shirts. After you have selected t-shirts, you can select your target market on the left hand column. So you can select your target market. Then you'll simply tap on the type of t-shirt that you would like to create. For example, this one right here, unisex. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and you will see the option Start Designing. You can tap on that, and it is going to carry you to this page right here, on which you'll be able to upload designs from your device. So let's say you go onto Canva, which is completely free, and you had created a design. You'll be able to upload it now onto Printify. But let's say you want to create something new. You can tap on My Templates right here. And from here you would see new templates, or you could select graphics, and you can see the different graphics that you can choose from, as you can see here. So let's say you want to use this one, just for example's sake. You can see how it looks right there, and you can also make it wider. You can adjust it any way you want. Once you have found a design that you like, you'll simply tap on Save Product. And after you have saved the product, you will see the title image mockup views right here. So you can see how it will look. And you can simply scroll down, and you'll be able to edit the description. You can also add a size table if you want. And you can also edit the variants. So you can select the variants that you would like to be available. And you can also set the price. You can see retail price and the profit that you'll be able to make. And once everything is to your liking, all you have to do now is simply tap on Connect a Store, as we need it to connect it to our Etsy. So we